Hi everyone and welcome to Homogo's YouTube channel. My name is Haley from Simply Haley on YouTube, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to clean your microwave with baking soda and vinegar. I'm going to show you my 3 different methods for cleaning my microwave that include vinegar and baking soda. Let's get started. This first method, I'm going to show you how to clean your microwave using baking soda. Baking soda is one of the most useful products you can keep in your kitchen, and it has so many different purposes of how you can use it, whether it's for cleaning or cooking. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing how to use it in your microwave. Step 1. Half fill a microwave safe bowl with water. Go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Run your microwave for 2 to 5 minutes until it starts to produce lots of steam. The steam is going to do all of the hard work and loosen up all of that stuck on gunk in your microwave. Once it is done, remove the bowl carefully. Then go ahead and wipe all the surfaces of your microwave using a washcloth, sponge, or paper towel. If you have stubborn spotters like this one, go ahead and make a little paste. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon water into a little bowl and use it to spread on the stuck on area. Let it sit for a few minutes and then remove, and it should come off really easy after that. If this seems like a lot of work and you don't have the time, you can always book a cleaner on Homogo for a low price to help you out. Moving on to method 2, I'm going to show you how to clean your microwave using vinegar. Vinegar is another great household product. It has strong cleaning and antibacterial properties to help effortlessly clean mirrors, grouting, microwaves, and so much more. Step 1 is to grab a large microwavable bowl and add a half a cup of vinegar. Place in your microwave and run on a medium-high heat for about 5 minutes so it can steam up the microwave. Once your timer goes off, go ahead and leave your bowl in the microwave for a few more minutes. Then go ahead and remove your bowl and dip a sponge or washcloth into your solution. Go ahead and use this sponge or cloth to wipe down all the surfaces in your microwave. You're going to find out that this is actually a really good method, and it just wipes away everything that is crusted on. And just like that, your microwave is so sparkly clean. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to clean your microwave using both vinegar and baking soda. This method uses the power of vinegar and baking soda to remove the toughest splatters in your microwave. Step 1, grab a bowl and mix together 4 tablespoons of water and 500 milliliters of water. Mix together until all of the baking soda is dissolved. Step 2, dip a sponge or cloth into that solution and begin to wipe down all of the surfaces of the microwave. Pay extra attention to all of that crusted and caked on food. Step 3, in a microwave safe bowl, go ahead and add equal parts water and vinegar. I went ahead and did a half a cup of water and vinegar. Put this in the microwave on high for 3 minutes or until the water starts to boil and steam. Once this is done, let it sit for another 10 minutes so that way the steam can do all of the work for you. Carefully remove your bowl and dip your sponge or cloth into the solution and begin to wipe down all of your surfaces. You're gonna see you hardly have to put any work into this method. The magic of the baking soda and the vinegar steam will have loosened all of the spills and splatters nicely, so you can just wipe it away effortlessly. You don't have to use harsh chemicals to clean your microwave. You can quickly make a gentle, natural cleaner with just vinegar and baking soda that's just as effective. Each of these methods shared are effective and time-saving methods to help you clean your microwave naturally. If you'd like more tips like these, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, and we'll see you again soon.